Check the clock a million times a day. I wish it would start ticking away. Black cats crossing the highway. X's on my windshield until May. It's 85 degrees and I'm wearing long sleeves. Don't want anyone to see the burdens I carry underneath. I hide these skeletons in my closet. Got drunk last night and almost lost it. Write my truth into these songs. I can never